Here, John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Jordan. Jordan is one of our new traders. Jordan joined us on the 16th of April, and this is the review up to the 30th of April 2021. Jordan has been with us for 2 weeks, and another record breaker is hit his 10% in 2 weeks. How did Jordan do this? Jordan done this with 41 trades. So looking at Jordan's rate of gain, 8.68%, and he had a daily rate of 0.56% and a drawdown of 0.62.16% and a monthly gain of 8.68%. So as we can see, Jordan is now on 30,000 US dollars. Coming down into this now, we can see Jordan now has 41 trades, advanced analytics. He's won 19 out of 41, which represents 40%, 46% accurate. And he's lost 22 out of 41, which means he has a 54% loss rate. So as I always say with trading, you can be right or wrong and still be in profit. So Jordan complements that theory. So what did Jordan trade? His best trade to date was $618.29. His worst trade was for $131. So what did Jordan trade? I'm curious. Jordan only traded two pairs, discipline and consistency, and he's actually finessed this. And guys, this is what I always say, less is more. Stick to a few pairs that you know very well and master these pairs and your approach to these pairs. And your profits will be exponential because you're actually controlling what you're doing. Look at Jordan here. Jordan has not been successful on the long side. He's lost 38.9 pips, $159.63, and he's lost 7.5 pips. But Jordan is very dominant on the bullish side, and he's got five trades going long at 212 pips, point one, 899.14, and he's got 25 trades going long on the pound dollar at 114.80, which gives Jordan 435.80, a grand total of 8.68% here for the month. And the month's ended now, so that's what he done in 1 month. But look at adding 739.51 to 399.10. Jordan has his 10%. How did he do this? And remember, Jordan has started trading again, so this week he's only up by 0.58%. But Jordan has hit 10%, and look at the only drawdown, minus 2.16%, as we said before, the worst case. But see where Jordan got his 10%, 10.01, and he's still going down. He's fluctuated down to 8.28%, 8.68%, but I'm very confident Jordan is going to come back and go on to 60,000. I'm very impressed with what I'm seeing with our traders. But as always, the part I love to do best is to criticize and offer my opinion because no one's the perfect trader. As I've reviewed over all my accounts, I've reviewed over a period of time. Even myself, I'm not the best trader and I'm not the worst trader as well. It's all about consistent gains. I have losses as well, but I can still show you exponential profits down to money management, and experience is key in this business. Master your mindset. Okay, Jordan. Jordan's actually impressed me because he's got a stop loss in place, and this is what I mean about discipline. Okay, you can take your profit at discretionary level, but at the same time, I still recommend having a stop loss and take profit in place. But at the same time as well, he's not consistent with it. A few times he's not taking his stop loss, maybe because he doesn't want to get stopped out prematurely, or he was watching the market and you can see for an hour, 7 minutes, 4 hours, 15 minutes. I don't know the strategy, but whatever the strategy was, these are gains 1, 2, 3, 4. 61 pips, 38 pips, 154.49 at 0.50. So whether I like it or not, I don't know the strategy, but I definitely know for sure Jordan has got profit here. So you can't really take anything away from Jordan. Jordan's done extremely well. And I want to see traders too take on this on board because at the end of the day, trading is very unique. It's that one skill. Once you know it for life. And I want people to look at this as inspiration as well. Because if Jordan can do this, anyone else can do this. So, a few recommendations, Jordan. One, always review your trades and calculate your expectancy in terms of your take profit and your maximum loss, what you're willing to lose. You're growing your account exponentially. Keep on reviewing your bad trades. log your losses, and keep on developing yourself. And more importantly, focus on your mindset. That's where you're going to have total control of the market. It's good being a technical trader, but once you master the mindset, no emotion will derail you from your trades. Always manage your risk and trust your instincts and your analysis as well. Very important. Just like any job, trading comes with risk and emotions. Master your emotions, and you're going to make exponential profits. Read mindset books from Mark Douglas, like Trading in the Zone, Mastery by Robert Greene, Emotional Intelligence 1.0, 2.0. Go on the Audacity community app as well. Network with like-minded traders as well. Share ideas. You can only become a better trader by practicing and finessing your skill, and always be developing your mindset. That's the best advice I can give to you. Develop your mindset, have a strong mindset, and you've got this on lock. Congratulations on your achievement. Keep doing what you're doing before. Focus on your long-term goals, and more importantly, adapt your strategy and lot size to your new risk profile, which is your new level of $30,000. And I wish you all the best, Jordan. Take care.